Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. The technology we are sharing today is function of BGP. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol and is still a type of routing protocol. Routing protocol is software on routers that help build routing table. However, BGP is used in large-scale network environments and is different from OSPF or static routing. BGP has several main applications. The first is for service provider, where BGP is used in underlying infrastructure for deploying dedicated connections. The second is in data center, where a technology called VXLAN is used for virtualization migration. BGP is used in remote virtualization migration because this center now use virtual machines. Additionally, BGP is used in the connectivity to outside world from these centers, so a business called BGP dedicated LANs. In general, BGP is not used in regular networks. That's all for today's video. If you have other technology you want to learn or any questions about this video, please leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. See you next time, buddy.